what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new and updated version of a chocolate mug cake recipe that I showed you guys on my channel like quite a while ago, like maybe a couple of years ago. I'll show you the picture right here, somewhere on the screen. So yeah, I've changed a couple of things in it, and it does taste quite a bit better. So let's get right on with the video. Alrighty guys, so I have my ingredients here set up. I've got a 1/4 cup of flour. I've got 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And I think I added too much since I had this like grinder that had like really big pieces. And then I have 5 teaspoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. And then I still didn't get my milk. It's currently not with me, but I will get it soon once I start to mix in my ingredients. But you do need 5 tablespoons of that. And then last but not least, my secret ingredient, which somehow makes this recipe taste a whole lot better, cinnamon. I'm going to be adding a sprinkle of this later on as I'm mixing the ingredients in. Okay, so I still didn't get my milk, but I'm gonna mix in all my dry ingredients first in here. So I've got my 1/4 cup of flour. I've got my tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, my 3 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar, my 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and sprinkle of salt, pinch of salt. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. Okay guys, so I've mixed my dry ingredients together. Now I'm gonna add my sprinkle of cinnamon. Just enough. I like quite a bit of cinnamon in my cake, so about that much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it in again. And also, if I had Nutella, I would put in like about a tablespoon or so in it. And yeah, I'll be back when I get my milk. Alright guys, so I have got my 5 tablespoons of milk finally. Now I'm gonna slowly pour them in. And I'm not gonna pour in my oil just yet, but I'm gonna mix these in.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I'm done mixing it in. It looks really good and chocolatey, but I'm not done yet. So I know it's not really good, but at this point you could like kind of taste it. It's really good actually. And I'm gonna add a little more cinnamon to give it a little more cinnamony flavor. And mix it in again. And then I don't know if this part is actually what makes it good, but I noticed that this happened by accident. I was mixing in, and then I was making this cake, and then I accidentally put in my milk, and then mix it in and added my oil, and then it wouldn't like mix in properly. But then if you kept on working on it, it would slowly and eventually start to like dissolve into the whole mixture. I don't know if this all makes sense, but so basically you put in your milk, and then you mix it, and then you add in your oil, and it might not seem like it's mixing in or anything, but if you keep on going, then it does actually work. And I don't know if this actually like is the reason to what gives it a really nice texture and everything, but I tried it. I always use this method, and it always turns out pretty good. So I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Alright guys, so I'm done mixing it in, and it looks really nice and chocolatey. And I'm gonna take you guys to the microwave. Alrighty guys, so I've got my microwave here, my good old microwave, and my mixture right here, my batter, and then I'm just gonna open it up and
2,000 years later.
okay. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna put in my mug inside. Hold on. And I'm gonna put it for 1 minute. And usually I'd either put it for 1 minute or 90 seconds. But I'm gonna go for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna grab a toothpick, check it, and then if it still needs some cooking, then I'll add another 30 seconds. So I'll see you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of the video. This is the final result. I know it's a bit messy around the edges, but it's fine. I added a little bit of cinnamon and some sugar. I don't know if you can see that. So this is really good, and let me approve it first.
A few moments later.
100% approved. It's really good actually. So yeah, we have reached the end of the video. If you guys are watching till now, you're amazing, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! No, literally guys, it's so good, you have to try it.